Good afternoon. Today in our class we will discuss about jute and cotton industry. Okay, so let's start. Good morning student. Today our topic is jute textile industry and cotton textile industry. The jute textile industry, there are the total 78 mills are present in West Bengal. Main concentrations of these industries are found on the bank of the river Hooghly. Main important centers in West Bengal are Kolkata, Risra, Boraonagar, Noihati, Kakinada, Konnagar, Kamarhati, and Beleghata, Howrah, Sakrail, Hooghly, and Bhojboj. Okay. Next, what are the reasons for the concentrations of jute mills on the bank of river Hooghly? The main reasons are easily availability of raw material. Okay, the maximum mills are located, you already know that Hooghly basins, that is lies on the Ganga Delta regions. And secondly, the nearness for the coal mine, like coal mines are located, you know, in the Raniganj of Asansol. So you can easily getting the raw materials, that means coal, from there. Okay. Number 2, another point is transport system. Easily available land, water, railway transport. Okay. Availability of water, Hooghly rivers, the water are from Hooghly rivers. Humid climate in West Bengal is best for the jute mills. Next number is port facility. Kolkata port is available for the jute for transport, or you can say transporting any place. Okay. And supply of capital supply. Before independence, the British government supply the capitals, but after independence, most of the Indian traders or merchants supply their capitals. Okay. Cheap labor availability from the neighboring state like Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. There are the densely populated states, so easily available that labor. Okay. And productions in this time, in the 2012-2013, the productions of jute was 8,350 bales. Okay. Next, what are the problems of this jute textile industry? Jute textile industry, the main problems are the short supply of raw materials. Okay, the very shortage for the raw materials, and the raw materials are the very low quality. Next, competitions from the foreign countries like the Bangladesh, Brazil, Philippines, they are the very good, or the very good in the jute production. So this is the very competitions. Okay, for jute textile industry. Another one is the competition from the substitutes, like the most of the peoples are use this time the synthetic fiber, paper cloth instead of jute. Okay, so jute is have the biggest competitions. Another problems are inadequate power supply, labor problems is always the main problem, and old machineries, that are also the very big problem. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about cotton textile industry. Cotton textile industries, before that you have to discuss the prospect of the jute mills. Main prospect of the jute mills are it has demand and market. Number 2, implement of the recent government policy has now become the mainstay of this industry. Now we are going to discuss the cotton textile industry. Cotton textile industry's first cotton mill established in 1880 at Ghusuri near Kolkata. Okay. Cotton industry is mostly concentrated in Mumbai or Ahmedabad because of the climatic conditions. Okay, you know, climate Mumbai and Ahmedabad climate is the best for cotton cultivations, not West Bengal. That's why West Bengals are mill which is established in 1880, that is was not very successful. Okay, next important centers of these are mostly cotton textile industries are developed near the, you can say, Hooghly basins areas like the Garden Reach, you can say Belghoria, Samnagar, Panihati, Sirampur, Ulberia, Fuleshwar and other places. Okay, next these are the mainly important. Okay, next we can discuss the causes for the development of the cotton textile industry in West Bengal. Okay, so number one main causes that this is nearness of the raw cotton field. For increasing demand, farmers are now growing cotton on the loamy alluvial soil of Hooghly basin. Number two, humid climate is prevailing at the mills, that means the cotton textile industries. Okay, next, availability of electricity available from CESC or the West Bengal ACB or DVC. Transport systems is also easily available, like the land transport, railway transport, water transport, okay, canal transport, and the labor available from our neighboring state, like the densely populated neighboring state like Bihar, UP, Odisha. Okay, chemical supply for the Haldia chemical industry for dyeing of cotton. Okay, water availability from the Hooghly river or many other canals. Port facility is Kolkata port. Okay, these are the main causes for the development of the cotton textile industry in West Bengal. Next, what are the problem of cotton textile industry? The problem of cotton textile industry, number one, is shortage of raw materials and the quality of raw materials not so good. Second, competitions from the synthetic fiber due to their greater durability. And another problem, labor problem, and lack of up-to-date technology and financial problem. That also are the very big problem. Okay, now we are going to discuss the prospects of cotton textile industry. Number one, the rapid growth of populations has created a domestic market for the cotton goods. Different states like Punjab, Haryana, UP and now growing long staple cotton, and West Bengal can easily import this raw material from there. And the National Textile Corporations has been established in 1960 to revive the sick mills. Okay, and another one, the modernizations of cotton mills has started in the state with a hope for the bright future of this industry. So these are the main prospects of the cotton textile industry. Okay, thank you.